Silicone comes from Latin silix, meaning flint or hard stone. Silicon is one of the chemical element. If you mix it with oxygen, you got silicon dioxide, better known as quartz, which is the most common component of sand. In other words, silicone is a synthetic polymer made up of silicon, oxygen, and other elements, most typically carbon and hydrogen. Silicon is the second most abundant element on Earth by mass, making up over 27% of the crust. Pure silicon has the same crystal structure as diamond. Most of the silicone on the Earth is found in the form of silicon oxides, like sand and quartz. Sand has a high percentage of silicon and is the starting material to make high-purity silicon wafers on which semiconductor devices are made. During the Stone Age, hunting and woodworking tools are made from silicon. Silicone is responsible for a dangerous lung disease called silicosis that can affect professionals who breathe silicon dust.
Did you guys know? Number of crossing and nature of the group determines the properties of the polymer. Silicones can be exist in the form of oils, viscous fluids, and rubbers. The common properties of silicones are water repellent, high thermal stability, high dielectric strength, good electrical insulator, resistant to oxidation and thermal decomposition, and also chemical resistant. Silicone widely used in industry. It is generally non-reactive, stable, and resistant to extreme environments, stresses, and temperatures. Most impressively, it can be formulated to operate consistently from 60 degrees Celsius up to 300 degrees Celsius while still maintaining its useful properties.
Wow!
At extreme temperatures, silicone rubber's mechanical properties such as tensile strength, elongation, tear strength, and compression set are far superior to those of conventional organic rubber, whose carbon composition can leave them susceptible to ozone, UV, heat, and other aging factors. This makes silicones the most suitable elastomers for many applications. It also highly inert and does not react with most chemicals or the environment, so it is ideal for many food and medical applications.
Did you know the application of organosilicon can be in three forms? First, in the form of resin, second, in the form of rubber, and third, in the form of oil. What is silicon resin? Silicon resin are relatively low molecular weight with a three-dimensional branched chain structure. Since they have excellent thermal stability, it always used as binder in paints, varnishes, and as waterproofing agent. Have you ever heard about silicon rubber? Silicon rubber are flexible material. They are easy to customize and color, and they don't set limit to creation. We always encounter with silicon rubber product in our real life without we realizing it. It is used in baking and as food storage. It also in medical equipment such as seals, tubes, and valves. The last form of organosilicon application is in silicone oil, which always used as lubricants, brake fluid, and hydraulic oil. Let me tell you one interesting fact about silicone oil. There is another one product of silicone oil that we may use in everyday life, especially for women. Let's take a closer look at facial tissue. Some facial tissue have been using silicone type of softener to improve the soft feel of tissue, which means silicone oil improves the softness and silk-like smooth feeling of the tissue with minimum impact on tissue strength. Interesting, right? Hope you get something. Thank you.